Good day, everyone. We shall now have a review in our National Achievement Test, which is bite-sized, part 3. In quadratic functions. For items 7 to 9, base your answers for the following questions on the given quadratic function below. F of x is equal to 2x squared minus 4x plus 5. Number 7. Which describes the opening of the graph of the quadratic function? A. Opens upward. B. Opens downward. C. Opens to the left. Or letter D. Opens to the right. Number 8. Which is the y-intercept of the graph of the quadratic function? A. 4, B. 0, C. 2, or D. 5. Number 9. If the given function will be graphed, which of the following statements is true? A. It will intersect the x-axis at 2 points. B. It will intersect the x-axis at 1 point. Or letter C. It will not intersect the x-axis. Or letter D. It will not intersect the axis. Now here are the answers. For number 7, the opening of the graph of this quadratic function is or opens upward. That is because it is positive A. For number 8, which is the y-intercept of the graph of the quadratic function? That is letter D, 5. You just simply substitute all the x with 0. Or for determining the y-intercept, let x be equal to 0. So that results to 5. For number 9, the answer would be letter C. It will not intersect the x-axis. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe